Alright, sweeties. It's beach day. The beach is waiting for us. Hey! Let's get it.
Mitch was fashionably late as always.
Wait, hold on. This is Anna Banana, but that's Banana Banana. Oh! Parked at the beach. Took about 30 minutes, but we're here. Welcome to both vlogs. All right, let's get it, guys. Oh, hey. Kyle, you're next. Okay, so just get stretched out, get ready.
All right, I don't want to pull anything.
And then Val, you're next. Okay, backflip, I expect.
Do a cartwheel. It's been 5 years.
It's been 8
All right, 5 years. Oh, that was epic.
I got nervous.
I got some sea dollars. So which sea creatures would
Look
like
at
to
those.
holler?
Found them in the water.
Here we have all our friends being not social because they're sitting on their phone.
Like
The only person that should be
Exhibit
on
A.
their phone is Mitchell Mouse as he's recording us trying to have a good time.
Tea, sister. Hey, Kyle, how's your daiquiri treating you?
Oh, it's amazing.
Amazing.
Isn't it
And
pina colada?
I haven't even tried mine yet.
Reusable straws.
How's your dad?
It's a pina colada. My bad. All right, this has been a great day, everybody.
The next shot is just kind of like falling
Whoa.
over things.
Look at these two. They look like they're on a date.
Hey! Does that mean we're on a date?
No.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Wow. Wedding? Who's getting married?
Kyle
Not
Bell.
me. Not me.
All right. It's a wrap, guys. It was a great day. Did you guys have fun today?
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah, I did.
Yes.
Not really.
Not really?
At the time.
Well, it's time to peace out. We're about to... Look at this bread, though. It's non-existent, but man, we destroyed it.
Like, bye everyone. Just kidding. Look at this bread.
Yeah. Yeah, but bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you real soon.
We've had a great day at the beach today. It's pretty windy, so I hope it doesn't mess up the sound, but we've had a good day. We've got some good shots and some good tans. How you feeling, Kyle?
Oh, amazing. Beautiful weather. Beautiful people.
You feel burnt yet?
Oh, it's amazing. Not even burnt.
Not even burnt.
Been
You heard
putting on
it.
this SPF 50, so we're good.
SPF 50, that's where it's at. Let's do it. So peace out, guys. We'll be back soon.